So let us write a 3 in front of the x. Now what that means is we have 3 multiplied with x plus 2. And in the order of operations, we'll do the multiplication first. So let us take 1 and put it in the place of x. So notice it's not 31 plus 2. It is 3 times 1 plus 2. And that is equal to 5. Next, we have 4. So it's not 34 plus 2, but it's rather 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 2, which is 14. And lastly, we have 10. So again, it doesn't become 310 plus 2. It means 3 times 10, which is 30, plus 2. So that answer is equal to 32. Now, let us see how our output values would change when we add brackets. So I add brackets around the x and the 2. Now the calculation would change slightly. This would become, so let's take away the output values. This would become 3 multiplied with the answer of x plus 2. So in our first value, we'll have 3 times the answer of 1 plus 2. And that is the same as saying 3 times 3. So I do the calculation of the brackets by itself. So when I replace x with 1, I first add 1 and 2 together to get 3 on the inside of the bracket. So it becomes 3 times 3, and that answer is 9. Next, we have 4 in the place of x. So it's 3 times 4 plus 2. But 4 plus 2 is 6. So it's 3 times 6. And that is equal to 18. So lastly, we have 10. So it's 3 times 10 plus 2. So 10 plus 2 becomes 12. So it's 3 times 12. And that is equal to 36.